Hi, my name is Suzi Spitzer, and I'm a fourth-year PhD student at the University of Maryland Center for Environmental Science. I am an interdisciplinary student within the Marine Estuarine Environmental Sciences graduate program, where I am researching the connections between environment and society. My graduate work gives me the opportunity to integrate my academic training in both natural and social sciences. I am pursuing a PhD because I believe that my dissertation research will push the boundaries of traditional academia and encourage scientists to collaborate across disciplines and with members of the public, so we can all work together to solve complex socio-ecological problems. Before I elaborate further on my dissertation research focus and graduate experience, I'd like to share more about my background and personal interests. I am from LaGrange, Illinois, which is a suburb located about a half-hour's train ride outside of the city of Chicago. I went to Lyons Township High School and then attended college at the University of Notre Dame. During my undergraduate years, I double majored in biology and anthropology, and I was an active member of both the marching band and the concert band. After graduating college, I worked as a research assistant at the Marine Biological Laboratory Ecosystems Center in Woods Hole, Massachusetts, before moving to Maryland to pursue graduate education. I live in historic Annapolis, Maryland, on the shore of the Chesapeake Bay, which is one of the largest estuaries in the world. I live with my husband, who I recently married. He's also a PhD student. In my free time, I love to be outside, and I especially enjoy collecting shells on the beach and diving in the ocean. I am passionate about exploring new places with my family and friends, and I love finding geocaches hidden in creative places all over the world. I also enjoy hiking and going on camping trips. One of my goals is to backpack the Maryland portion of the Appalachian Trail. I also really like gardening and cooking new recipes that let me use all the fresh herbs and vegetables that I grow. There are a lot of inventive restaurants in Annapolis, and I think it's fun to go out downtown and get recipe inspiration on special occasions. As a graduate student, I work as a research assistant at the Integration and Application Network. My coworkers and I collaborate with environmental partners and communities all over the world. We synthesize diverse data and knowledge of particular ecosystems to develop reports, websites, and other science communication products that can communicate science to diverse audiences. I also serve as a teacher's assistant. I've helped teach a variety of courses, including a new interdisciplinary course called Environment and Society, which I co-developed with two of my academic advisors. For my dissertation work, I'm researching ways to improve collaborations between environmental scientists and non-academics in the Chesapeake Bay. In particular, I'm studying how citizen science can serve as a means to integrate community values and knowledge into broader science discourse. Citizen science and volunteer monitoring encourages public inclusion in the creation and use of environmental data. Volunteers in Chesapeake Bay collect data on seagrasses and water quality, among other variables. Through citizen science projects, researchers and other stakeholders work together to collaboratively address local environmental issues by generating socially relevant and scientifically useful data. When citizen science is reflective of the public's needs and experiences, it can be used as an approach to address complex socio-ecological problems, inform environmental management plans, and engage and empower communities. Over the last 2 years, I have enjoyed presenting my preliminary dissertation work at several conferences. As an interdisciplinary student, it's especially rewarding and valuable to present my research in different academic and social contexts so that I can receive feedback from people with diverse backgrounds. The networks I build and the lessons I have learned at conferences have helped me to integrate knowledge from different fields and shape my dissertation focus. I have published several blog posts that reflect on my conference travel and other academic experiences. These blogs challenge me to synthesize and condense large amounts of information in order to deepen my thinking, share my lessons learned with a broader audience, and extend my impact as a scholar. My graduate work will draw upon and contribute to several academic fields, including citizen science, environmental anthropology, science communication, and environmental management. At this point in my graduate career, I've completed my coursework and comprehensive exams, and I'm currently writing my dissertation proposal, which I will defend in December 2018. Then I will dive into my dissertation research, and I plan to graduate in December 2020. My ultimate goal is to have a career that encourages me to build bridges between scientists and the public, and between natural and social sciences. I'd like to work with communities to synthesize diverse environmental knowledge and co-develop holistic solutions for complex problems related to environmental management. Marine explorer Jacques Cousteau said, "People protect what they love, and they love what they understand." I believe that my most valuable contribution as a scholar and as an environmentalist is to support others' knowledge and appreciation of the natural world. I am so excited to contribute to this important goal through my dissertation research and beyond.